And the race is on. Bootlegs from the outside is reality show. Moving up by the rails, Golation, rushing up Mike's Dancer. It's Bootlegs followed by reality show. Mike's Dancer in the middle. Golation racing import by the rail alongside is Dr. Choice and Speed to Riches. Bootlegs by a length and a half, followed now by Golation by the rail. Mike's Dancer racing in third from the outside is reality show and Dr. Choice inside the last 600. Bootlegs by Hapoland followed by reality show from the outside. Mike's Dancer, Dr. Choice, and out of fourth and Bootlegs still hanging to that half-length lead. Reality show, Dr. Choice, Mike's Dancer, Golation as they race the final corner. Bootlegs by Hapoland, this time by a length and a half, followed by reality show, Dr. Choice, and nearing the last 150 meters more to run. Bootlegs racing away by about 3 lengths, followed by Golation in second, and nearing the finish line, number 3, Bootlegs. Second, Golation, Dr. Choice, reality show, Mike's Dancer, and Speed to Riches comes last.
325